headquartered here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Here at Brady, we manufacture a wide variety of products ranging from signs, labels, tags, lockout tagout devices, printer hardware, RFID hardware, and asset management systems, etc. We develop or manufacture the base product at our florist facility.
So at Florist, we make a lot of the raw material for a lot of the other plants. That raw material is the pressure-sensitive adhesive, the labels that we use in a lot of our products. We take research and development ideas, different product constructions, and learn how to manufacture that on a large scale.
The majority of the test methods that we run in R&D are based on industry standard specifications. So we go through a pretty rigorous durability and environmental exposure test plan with each new product that's being developed. So we will look at things like the chemical resistance, the abrasion resistance, how well something's going to withstand being interacted with in the environment. Temperature resistance, we have basically just ovens. Accelerated weathering testing incorporates humidity and UV exposure. It has the same light spectrum that is generated by the sun that we'd be exposed to outdoors, as well as humidity chambers where you can set the temperature and relative humidity at different combinations based on where a material is going. And we also have a salt fog chamber, which is generating a 5% sodium chloride mist, which would simulate oceanic or coastal environments. Then remove those from a test chamber and do further analysis to look at how a material is physically changed, or if a color has changed. We have equipment to measure and to numerically assign a number to a color, and then we can see how things are changing over time. So a lot of environmental exposure testing capabilities exist in the lab.
Here at Brady, we have a three-part production process. Our first part is our compounding department. We make a lot of our coatings in-house here. From that process, we move our coatings over to our coating production lines. We coat our substrates that we buy. We use slot die technologies here to manufacture a lot of our products. It is a precision piece of equipment that helps us make very tough products, which makes us competitive versus a lot of other companies. And from that process, we convert our materials down from our large log rolls into our smaller slitted rolls, and those products are used in other Brady facilities.
The amount of material in linear feet that we coat at Florist Avenue on an annual basis would circumnavigate the globe 4 times.
And so those products where we take film base, so the primary substrate on which we're printing, and we combine that with different adhesives and other types of liners, et cetera, to form that final product that then gets brought here.
So this facility was constructed in 1992. The original building was 100,000 square feet of manufacturing and distribution space with 50,000 square feet of office space. In 2003, we doubled the amount of manufacturing and distribution space to approximately 200,000 feet. The downstream manufacturing process, a typical manufacturing process, would include printing and converting of labels. So we would take a roll of material, put it onto the unwind side of a press, feed it through, print a single or multiple colors onto it, die cut it in register. And rewind it to a master roll. And in a subsequent operation, we will then rewind it down to its final form factor based on customer specifications for whatever printer it's going to be used in. The product portfolio for the Identification Solutions business is approximately 45,000 individual parts. And we're really proud of our efforts over the last 2 years to reduce errors in distribution to the point where our error rate is less than 0.05%. We process approximately 1,500 discrete orders a day for domestic distribution from our distribution center. We provide a wide variety of safety and facility identification products for Motion's customers, including everything from floor striping to the marking of electrical distribution gear to the marking of process piping and signage to protect people as they move through a facility.
Motion does a number of things for us. So one is help us go to market with our products. So certainly they've got relationships with a wide variety of customers, and they're helping to promote Brady products that are going to provide solutions for their customers. In turn, what they also do for us is they'll supply to us products that we need for our internal operations. So there are certain things that we use in our environments that we don't manufacture ourselves, and we can get that through Motion as well. So it's a great joint partnership between the two companies. And one of the benefits is having things where we need them when we need them. So the ability for Motion to get us products in short term is critical for us to maintain our operations.